Do you believe that a computer could replace the human brain? Well, they've replaced a lot of other jobs that humans once did, and research is constantly improving the intelligent capabilities of computers, especially through what is known as machine learning. If you are confused by what machine learning is, then think back to the last time you asked your smartphone a question or searched something on the internet. Machine learning is behind all of this, and as you can imagine, there are seemingly endless possibilities for a computer that can learn on its own. The question is, how can a computer learn on its own? One of the fundamental ideas used in machine learning is artificial neural networks. These are networks of nodes that are modelled on the actual neuron connections in the brain and actually work in similar ways. These artificial neural networks have a relatively simple concept behind them and can be found in many different things. For example, imagine a machine learning program is going to learn to play a new computer game. The programmer does not tell the computer how to play the game. The computer will start to press the keyboard at random, remember the pattern of the keyboard inputs, and record the patterns that earn it the highest score. At the same time, the program analyzes humans' reactions at different situations. The computer may fail millions of times, but it will constantly improve the pattern and will eventually beat the human player. So how does this impact society in a significant way? Machine learning is used in areas such as healthcare, with things like visual imaging and pattern recognition, and is used in tools to aid scientific research. Major companies such as Amazon, Facebook, and Google are currently investing tremendous amounts of money and time into machine learning research, and looking at how they can use this research to develop useful and practical applications. It is a huge and heavily prioritized field of research because of its potential to improve all aspects of life, both socially, economically, and culturally. Some of the most recent breakthroughs in machine learning have been in natural language processing, through the commercializations of personal assistants such as Siri and Cortana, and in image recognition with the development of software that can understand emotions through your facial expressions, which has been used to collect customer feedback data for advertisements. Self-driving cars are another huge breakthrough. They use machine learning to get a picture of what is going on around them. This is understanding whether a particular object is a car, pedestrian, or traffic light, for example. This also makes use of image and pattern recognition. But even with all this considered, can computers actually replace a human brain? Well, Google recently developed a program that beat one of the world's best Go players using machine learning techniques. However, does this mean that computers can eventually exceed human beings in all areas? Well, we should remember that these machine learning programs are written by humans, so we can effectively control the extent of how far computers can develop. However, what would happen if a computer could learn how to write its own machine learning programs? It's an interesting thought and one that many researchers debate over, and if it could be true, then maybe computers could eventually replace a human brain. Although, this is a long way off happening right now, and the benefits gained by society from machine learning are too great to be ignored. The future for machine learning is very bright, and this is only going to become integrated further into day-to-day technologies, such as through interactive websites that respond to your voice as opposed to a simple point-and-click method, and search engines that can understand and answer a question directly instead of returning a list of documents or websites. There are also important steps to be made with healthcare and educational technologies that will increasingly make better use of machine learning through more intelligent user interfaces and personalized teaching methods. Whether or not computers will replace our brains, machine learning will certainly continue to improve our lives and bring about a new era of living.